Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the auto refresh extension for Fiverr safely. This tool can help you automatically refresh your Fiverr page at set intervals, which is particularly useful if you're waiting for new orders or monitoring your gigs without having to manually refresh the page constantly. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to chromewebstore.google.com. This is Google's official store for browser extensions where you can safely download verified tools and add-ons. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on the search bar and type Auto Refresh Plus, then press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to auto refresh extensions. It's important to choose the right one to ensure you're getting a safe and reliable tool for your browser. From the search results, locate and click on Auto Refresh Plus. This will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can read more about its features, see user reviews, and most importantly, install it to your browser. Take a moment to review the ratings and permissions if you'd like to verify its credibility. Now click Add to Chrome. This button initiates the installation process and prepares the extension to be added to your browser. Once you click it, a confirmation pop-up will appear at the top of your screen. This is a standard security measure that Chrome uses to confirm you actually want to install the extension. In the pop-up, click Add Extension. Your browser will now download and install Auto Refresh Plus automatically. This should only take a few seconds, and you'll see a notification once the installation is complete. After the extension is installed, look to the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the Extensions button. It typically looks like a puzzle piece icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Auto Refresh Plus. This will open the Extensions interface where you can configure how it works. A welcome screen or terms page might appear. Click Accept to proceed. This confirms that you agree to the extension's terms of use and allows you to start using its features. Now you'll see the main interface of Auto Refresh Plus. Here you'll find a field where you can enter your desired refresh interval. Type in the number of seconds you want between each automatic refresh. For Fiverr, it's recommended to set this to at least 60 seconds or more to avoid appearing suspicious or overloading the page. Once you've entered your preferred time, click Start, and the extension will begin automatically refreshing your Fiverr page at the interval you specified. And that's it. You've now set up Auto Refresh Plus safely and can use it to monitor your Fiverr activity without constant manual refreshing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.